My name is Benedikt and I'm General Manager of Vistbyggð. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our company and our first project that we have ongoing in Iceland. And the first slide you see here is actually houses that we have been building for the last year, and we are first buyers are moving in now in the end of June. Vistbyggð, like Anna said, means like eco-build or and the wordplay. But we are a real estate development company. We founded in 2018, and our goal is developing and building sustainable and eco-friendly homes in Iceland. Before that, we have been importing CLT panels and building a lot of CLT houses in Iceland. Natural for us. We wanted to build a brand around sustainable and healthy homes. So we in the beginning we worked both with our architects and advertising firm to create the brand that we're going to work on, and we wanted to include all those factors that comes together in a house, and include them in our brand, and our logo is all those factors that comes together in one house. Vision, caring, sound, touch, you can see. And we work with our architects to define the colors that we're using. As you can see, we take it from the surrounding environment, and you can see how it goes then into our marketing and branding material to show you. Our ideology was from the beginning to build healthy homes, and it's based on biophilic design, and we are working Nordic Swan equal label. So in the end, we will have a Nordic Swan for all the building, and we also wanted to build houses with a low carbon footprint. And yeah. This is the first project we've been working on. Suburbs of Reykjavik, called it's a green neighborhood called Urriðaholt, and there we have been working on 16 townhouses, and they were beginning where our target groups were young, active families, and so we worked with that with our architects how we put that in our design. Those houses will be available now this summer, and as I said, we delivered the first houses now in June. The houses, they are all built from CLT, cross-laminated timber, and one important factor is that it's very visible on the inside CLT panels. To show you from the construction site, pictures from last Sunday. You see the row houses, 16 row houses, and cladded on they're a bit hard on the outside, but they're soft on the inside. They're cladded on the outside with treated aluminium and spruce cladding in between. You can see pictures from the inside. You can see a lot of visible wood, a lot of the daylight, a lot of light, natural lighting in the houses. You can see we have sound isolation ceilings. We calculated the reverberation time in the houses, so one of the factors that we feel is important to have a good acoustic qualities inside the houses. And we are also using in those houses a ventilation system. This is our next project we are going to next. It's 19 townhouses for families in the same neighborhood. We are starting constructions now in June. But what you're probably all interested about is the LCA, or life cycle assessment. We worked with our engineering firm, Appala Consulting Engineers, to calculate the carbon footprint of the building. We used for that one-click LCA software comparable to what have been used and done before in Iceland. It was important for us to be able to compare it to the other methods that have been used. Our result was that the total project is 834 tons of CO2 total, means 52.1 tons CO2 per apartment. And it's 303 kilos of CO2 per square meter. And in comparison, then an Icelandic reference is 166 kilos of CO2. That like a typical concrete building. So we are about 45% of the reference building. I'm quite happy with that. We believe we can go even lower if we include the LCA earlier on. We start design phase using the LCA software. We can probably get lower results. Break it down, then operational energy use category B6 is about 99 kilos of CO2 per square meters, 30 total. Thereof 14 comes from geothermal energy and 8% comes from electricity. And the project of manufacture state is about 160 kilos of CO2, or 35% of the total. So in this we have the CLT is cross laminated 11.4% of the total, and if we break this more down, we compare it to in the reference building, the concrete is about 25 or 30% of the total. So key factor in.
You have about 1 minute more.
I have about 1 minute more, not actually. So if we break this down to building materials, then 106 kilos of CO2 is the building materials. You can see the energy use category B6 is 99%. Break it more down to resource type, and the energy use is about 33%, and timber CLT is about 11.4%. So we can timber, metals, windows and door, concrete, plastics, isolation, flooring, and other. And I guess my 1 minute is up.
No, just you can complete it. So
no, I just wanted to tell you about this. I'm no specialist in this. We work this with engineers. So, thank you.